Hi, welcome to KittiesMama. My name is Emma.
I'm Jonah. And I'm Noah. And today, Micah is attending us on a baby bump video.
Attending us?
It is a car. And I'm Mom, and I am currently 16 weeks pregnant. Here is the 16-week baby bump, and thank you to all you people saying how big my bump is. It's wonderful. So the baby right now weighs 3 to 4 ounces, and he or she is 4 to 5 inches in length.
Alright, so the baby's skin is transparent right now.
Ooh.
Makes sense. It's not fully developed. Baby can hear your voice, mother. Wow.
Oh, hi, baby.
Hello, baby. Except for you can't understand English, so you don't know anything we're saying.
Hello, child.
The baby's about the size of an avocado. People were asking if I was having twins.
Yes.
I might be big, but I am not having twins. At least we've had 2 sonograms, and neither one of those showed another baby. Alright, so today, because we always do like a second portion of the baby bump video, we're trying to. So today what we're going to do is we're going to go through the goodie bag.
Yay, Micah. The Belly Bandit bag.
We're going through our goodie bag that we got at Baby Palooza.
What is Baby Palooza?
Baby Palooza is a part of, it's the same day as Sweet Sweet.
What's Sweet Sweet?
It's like a mini toy fair.
It's
Explain
a convention full of toys.
The convention full of baby stuff, and a lot of bloggers and YouTubers go to it, and we were invited. So we got a goodie bag, and for the video today, I'm going to go through what we got. So we got this really pretty pen.
That is pretty.
Wow,
that
it's
is
so
a pretty
pretty.
pen. That's
Okay, so this is from
Jacy real.
that is from this thank you note place. They write your own thank you notes, so that was kind of cool, like handwrite thank you
That looks like
notes.
something you use.
It looks like a pin you'd have like at a gas station or somewhere where you don't want people walking
It's a
up with
bit
their
prettier
pin.
than a gas station.
It looks
Where-
like a Renaissance fair. I agree.
Okay, so
My gas station would have that pin.
we have this.
Mine too.
We have this like kids magazine.
What's it
It's
called?
got a pretty editorial. Look at how pretty the editorial is.
I'm proud of whoever made that.
It's called Earnshaw's, a little green essentials for babies and kids. This is for cradle cap. It says it's like that weird.
It's where his head looks like
that
it's...
weird stuff that's on baby scalps.
Yeah, where it
sometimes.
looks like bad baby dandruff.
Yeah, we've got body lotion, some balm for dry skin,
Wow.
shampoo and body wash, 2-in-1. We got one of those things that you can freeze in the freezer that you can put like on an ouchie
Ouch.
or on like a sore boob when you're breastfeeding. So we got a box from Newton Baby. So it says wake up happy.
Oh, it's about a new mattress.
Oh, you know what? I think I've talked with these people. We might be getting a mattress soon. All I know about this is that it's like a breathable mattress, and maybe that's what it's made of. So
But it's cool looking.
So hopefully we'll have more information on Newton Baby coming soon.
So it looks like a breathable mattress, I guess.
Oh my goodness, look at this!
Oh my.
Oh my goodness, Micah, look!
Oh, wow.
Shoes.
He loves
Okay,
shoes.
so these are Petty Pets. We love these shoes. These look like they're little girl shoes, so hopefully this is a little girl. If not, this will probably show up on our Poshmark.
Those would work on a little boy too.
Yeah, there's.
What are you
You think
talking
that they
about?
could be either?
Yeah.
Oh, we
Video
got
might have
Jelly Bellies. We've got a whole bunch of Jelly Bellies. Here you go.
Ooh, candy num num. Oh, nummy, mommy. Jelly bellies.
Shots of jelly beans.
Okay, so
Oh, look.
so then we've got this Nano Baby. Baby. It's a bottle that has like this little divot in the bottom of it so it warms and cools faster. More baby wash and shampoo, oil and lotion fusion, and both of these are the main choice baby. They smell really good. So we've got the Nosy Boo, which is a nasal aspirator. It looks like you suck it just like from our,
Slurp, slurp.
yeah, from our tin weird baby.
Oh.
Ooh, you like this? And then we got some samples of lotion from Bobo Botanicals. Some baby sunscreen from Coats.
Hey, Micah. That's not very helpful.
Some Aquifer. And it looks like we got some papers and some
Mail.
coupons. And
Yay.
Wow.
And that's it. Okay, so what I'm most excited about that I got
What's this?
are the shoes.
I'm most excited about
The shoes. We do love Petty Pets.
about this. This is pretty cool.
I like that.
I'm excited for this brand new.
Comment down below if you would be able to watch a live stream for a baby bump video next Monday at 10 a.m.
10 a.m. on
What time?
on in I
10
can't speak
a.m.
in summer?
Central. If you live in New York,
It's 8 o'clock and 8 o'clock a.m.
that's when our views peak every day is about 10 a.m. So that's why we picked 10 a.m. But
Yikes.
so that would be 11 if you're in New York, Florida. That would be 10 if you're in the central part of the United States.
Texas
Um,
and Chicago.
that would be 9 if you're in Colorado around mountain area, and that would be
I can't think of a stereotypical Rocky Mountain thing.
that would be 8 a.m. if you're in California. So comment down below if you'd be able to make that, and comment down below any of your questions. So thank you for watching.
Yeah, see you later.
Bye. Bye.
Click these rectangles. Click this circle.
Click these rectangles to watch more videos. That circle is to subscribe.
Wow.